In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WooCommerce online store with WordPress and Elementor. We'll go through the full setup process from the very beginning, so by the end, you'll have a functional e-commerce website that looks good, works properly, and is ready for customers. First, set up your WordPress hosting and connect your domain. This is the foundation of your website, so make sure your hosting plan supports WordPress and gives you solid performance for an online store. Once your domain is connected correctly, your site will have a professional web address and be ready for installation. Next, install WordPress. Most hosting providers make this simple with a one-click installer. After the installation is complete, log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage the design, products, settings, and everything else for your store. Now install and activate WooCommerce. This plugin turns a standard WordPress website into an online store. After that, install and activate Elementor, which will help you design pages visually without needing to code. These two tools work very well together and make the store building process much easier. After that, choose a WooCommerce compatible theme. This is important because your theme affects both the appearance and functionality of your store. A compatible theme will make sure your product pages, cart, and checkout areas display properly and give you a smoother editing experience. Once your theme is active, complete the WooCommerce setup wizard. This is where you configure the basic store details, such as your store location, business preferences, and core e-commerce settings. Take your time here because these options affect how your store operates. Next, add your product categories and products. Organizing products into categories helps customers browse more easily, and adding clear product titles, descriptions, prices, and images will make your store look more complete and trustworthy. Now create the homepage using Elementor. Build a clean layout that introduces your brand and guides visitors toward shopping. Then add product sections and e-commerce elements, such as featured products, category displays, or promotional areas, so the homepage feels like a true storefront. After that, customize your product pages, shop page, cart, and checkout pages. This step is all about improving the customer experience and making sure each part of the buying journey feels clear and polished. Then configure your shipping and payment methods. Make sure customers can see realistic shipping options and have secure, convenient ways to pay. These settings are essential for a working store. Before launching, preview the website on both desktop and mobile. Check the layout, spacing, buttons, and product displays to make sure everything looks right on different screen sizes. Finally, complete a test order before launching. This is one of the most important steps because it lets you confirm that the cart, checkout, payment process, and order notifications are all working correctly. Once that test is successful, your WooCommerce store is ready to go live.